Hello. Today we are going to learn how to load and unload the dishwasher. Why is this important to know? This skill is important to know because every day we are using dishes and silverware to make and eat our food. Those dishes, once we use them, get dirty, and we need to clean them in order to use them again. Knowing how to load and unload the dishwasher will make it easier for you to do the dishes and make sure they are all clean. Loading the dishwasher. Open dishwasher door. Get dirty dish from sink. Rinse dish. Put dish in dishwasher. Repeat steps 2 through 4 until sink is clear. Get dishwasher soap. Put soap in door tray. Close dishwasher door. Turn dishwasher on. Unloading the dishwasher. Open the dishwasher. Take cups out. Put cups away. Take bowls out. Put bowls away. Take plate out. Put plates away. Get silverware. Put silverware away. And then close the dishwasher door. First, you are going to open the dishwasher. Then, you're going to get a dirty dish from the sink. Take that dish and rinse it in water. Put that dish in the dishwasher. Now, you're going to repeat those steps until all the dirty dishes are out of the sink and are in the dishwasher. Now you're going to grab the dishwasher soap. Put the soap in the tray on the inside of the door and then close the tray. You are going to close the dishwasher door. Turn the dishwasher on by pressing start. Now the dishes are cleaning. The dishes are all clean now, and it's time to put them away. First, open the dishwasher door. Take the cups out and put the cups away. Take the bowls out and put the bowls away. Take the plates out and put the plates away. Grab the silverware and put the silverware away. Once the dishwasher is empty and all the dishes are put away, you can close the dishwasher door. And you are done. Let's review this one more time for good luck. For loading the dishwasher, you are first going to open the dishwasher door. Then get a dirty dish from sink. Rinse dish. Put dish in dishwasher. Repeat steps 2 through 4 until sink is clear. Get dishwasher soap. Put soap in door tray. Close dishwasher door. And then turn the dishwasher on. Then you are going to wait till they clean, and then you're going to unload the dishwasher. And first you open the dishwasher Take the cups out, put cups away. Take bowls out, put bowls away. Take plates out, put plates away. Get silverware, put silverware away. And then close the dishwasher door, and you are all done. Good job!